Happy birthday, Nick. Today is your big day, your hatch day. Hope you will enjoy yourself with your family today. And in addition, this is I like to make this video as a set testimony for you as a gift as well. Um, Thank you for your guidance and your mentorship since last September, where we cross each other's online in Facebook. Thank you for introducing me to Builderall. Although I got to know Builderall, I think back in 2017. Yeah, but then it's still very much in beta mode. So I didn't really explore it and stick to ClickFunnels then. It was until last September 2018 where you touch base with me and introduced me to Builderall. And straight away, without much thoughts, I think basically the product nails it. And for the price, this price, is really a no-brainer. And I just hop on to this on your train, and that's where I get to learn from you the attraction marketing on Facebook, which to date it has helped me created a stable passive income. Yeah, many thanks to you on that. So next steps, like as well, we meet up and discuss. I think we are now like partners and friends, both online and offline. So we are bringing up to the next level. I think with DLC and to teach what we learned so far to the people around us, to our followers. Right. I mean, learning is sharing. I think the more we share, the more we learn. And I'm also doing this video wrapper from Builderall, which just launched as a beta to showcase this testimonial for you. So once again, thank you very much for your guidance and happy birthday.